Editing photos is something that everyone tries at least once in their lifetime. Maybe you went on a vacation to an amazing location and you took some pictures that might need some slight tweaks. Maybe you want to add some filters, or how about adding text on it? Well, editing can be really complicated. However, the Google Play Store has a plethora of apps which you can try. And today we picked the ones that are highly ranked on the Google Play Store. Just like you picked our video to watch today. So while you're here, why not subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon as well, so you do not miss out on any of our latest videos. So hello everyone, this is Robin here from Gadgets 360, and without any further ado, let's get started with this video. We'll kick things off with Adobe's Lightroom. I'm pretty sure you must have already heard about this one. Lightroom gives you tons of options so that you can tweak the image to your liking. From tweaking around with the shadows, whites, blacks to completely changing the hue and saturation of the image. Everything can be done inside Lightroom. One of the best features of Lightroom that I use almost every time is applying presets. You can save and upload presets onto the app in order to use it later on. Lightroom also comes with a paid subscription which will give you access to healing brush, selective edits and etc. The subscription comes to Rs 170 per month and Rs 1700 for the yearly subscription. The second app on our list is Snapseed. Another app that I love recommending. For starters, the UI is really easy to understand, even for first time users. You can choose from preloaded filters and tweak around with the settings. You can even try adding grains to your pictures or giving them a tonal contrast. The one I tend to use more often is Lens Blur. It gives quite an interesting touch to your capture. And the best part about Snapseed? You have access to the healing tool, the selected tool, and yes, you can edit raw captures as well. You can even take a quick overview of all the edits you have added by just clicking here. Pretty neat feature. Next up, we have PicsArt. I think I have seen this app on almost everyone's device. The app is ranked second in the top free photography apps section, and it has a vast amount of filters to choose from. And you can of course tweak around the images with these tools that are provided. You can add motion to your images, or maybe you can adjust the saturation or the contrast as per your liking. PicsArt has a ton of templates and presets that you can choose from, and that's very helpful if you are in a hurry to edit a photo and would like to apply a template and be done with it. You can even edit videos and collages. So yes, it's a feature-rich app. Now let's take a look at B612. Quite a different approach for its naming style, but it does work, and that too very well. It has over 150 million downloads on the Play Store in India itself, so it is worthy of being on this list. B612 allows you to take photos and videos straight from the app. It has a bunch of beauty features and filters which you can choose from for your photos. It also has effects that act as an overlay to the images, which can be used for Instagram or any other social media apps. The app is filled with AR filters which you can try and choose the one that fits well. You can even add frames and borders, which looks really cool and makes it social media ready. Last but not the least, we have Photoshop Express. As the name suggests, it is an express version of the Photoshop, or more like a light version of it. The app has a preloaded preset of different settings which you can choose from, and then adjust the intensity slider as per your liking. You can add different overlays to your photos such as light leaks, grunge, raindrops and a ton of other options. You can also adjust the split tones of the images, add blur, vignette, and you can also use the healing tool to remove unwanted content from your photos. And yes, that's free here. So will these apps motivate you to edit your first photo ever? I sure hope so. By the way, we'll be coming up with the best video editing apps on the Google Play Store, so stay tuned. And as always, for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.